Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can send money to Philippines through your Ria account. So let's begin the video. Here first you have to go and you have to open your Ria account, and there just click on the send option in the bottom. Here now you have many options. Here you have many countries. You can choose your desired country from these options. As we specifically want to send to Philippines, so I will just research here for Philippines and will add that. Now here you have to choose how much you want to send. Here you can see your own currency as well, like you are sending 50 euros and how many Philippines currency it will become. You can see that here in the recipient receive, and then you have to select here a payment method through which you want to do the transitions. After that, here you have this delivery method where you can select a delivery method. Here you have this cash pickup, home delivery, bank and mobile wallet. You can select one delivery method from here. It's better to ask the recipient which method is more convenient for them. Then here, after taking their suggestion, you can come here and you can pick one whichever fits you and them the best. You can choose that from here, and you also have here this add promo code. You can go and you can add that if you want to, otherwise you can skip that as well. Now here you have to tell them about your own self, your name, last name, your date of birth, your country, your occupation. And now here you have to tell them about your address. Now it's time to add your recipient details. Here you have to write their name, their last name, their country, their city, province or region where they live. You have to fill all this information here. Now here you have to choose a wallet through which you want to do the transitions. Now here just you have to write the number for the wallet you have chosen here. And that's it. After that your money will gonna be transferred, and that was all about how you can transfer your money through your Ria bank transfer to Philippines. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.